What is up, guys? Okay, I'm not starting a video like that. Okay guys, hello, I am KRAMPUS, and for my new fans, this is my voice. I'm actually an old man. Okay, I can...
Welcome. We're playing a horror game. Headphone warning and my annoying voice and I ways enjoy.
Holy. Oh, he ugly. He's, actually, no, he's not ugly. He's, hear me out? No, I didn't mean that.
One late winter night, you
What?
can't sleep. While your mother is fast asleep, you decide to move into the living room. You found a strange old book by the fireplace and decided to read it.
What is this? Hi! That was so cringe. Oh, okay.
You came upon a Christmas
Whoa.
Eve not so long ago.
Okay.
A beast deformed in stature walked out from the snow. Its eyes were sharp and wild, jagged teeth like shards. It went from house to house, leaving footprints in the yards.
Okay, I'm gonna be quiet so I can hear this. Okay. Oh, that's it? Okay. Oh, I'm sleepy. What the heck? Is she? Oh, I hear it. This is my bedroom. I'm not going in there.
A few moments later.
This is my room? What the? Oh god, that's a cat. Okay. I did not just get scared by a cat. Hi, kitty. Hi. Okay, I gotta shut up. Please. Oh. I'm scared. I think you should be scared. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. I didn't finish the rest of it because I had to do a different draft. But what do I do? Interesting. So, lesson learned. What do I do? Oh my god. Okay. Holy. Oh.
In the bitter cold, you could smell its breath of rot and discontent. The chains that draped its frame made its spine look broke and bent. The wind, it howled in vain to warn the people of this beast. Its cries went unguarded as people sat before their feast.
I'm afraid that he's gonna be like in the hallway or something. What? Oh, heck no. Heck no. Okay, this is probably copyrighted, so I'm gonna... That wasn't there before.
I met you in the summer.
Okay. What? Don't look. No, I'm not. Don't look back. I don't want to look back.
A few moments later.
Timmy. Okay, guys, I'm bracing myself for a jump scare right now. What? I saw that. Ew! What is that guy? Okay, okay. What's up? Is that? I have to do something. Oh. Oh God, great, that's great. Bam.
The demon ceased searching when it came upon my house. I did my best to hide and stay as quiet as I walked back into the shadow. In the corner of my room, voiceless, breathless, terrified. What was that thing of gloom? I heard it leap onto the deck and dropped its sack upon the floor. A resounding thud, caked in mud. It wasn't crying anymore.
What? Interesting. What do I do? Oh my God. Okay, I cannot do this. I cannot do this, guys. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Huh? Wait, what? Okay. Hello. Do the eyes follow me? Oh, they do. Okay, hi. Hi.
A little boy, he found your street and is now looking for your house.
You sure he didn't find me already? Okay.
I've left my...
Wait. No, I didn't even hear it. Okay, I'm so sorry, haters. And my fans. Hey, what's up, baby girl? Okay, that's so cringe. Wait. They're in the bathroom. I can't. Guys, I'm scared. Okay, I'm looking away from my screen. I'm looking away from the screen, guys. What? It's gonna be behind me. Yeah, I knew it. Holy. Is he gonna say it's too late? He's already here.
Little boy, he found your house and is now looking for the entrance.
Yeah. Okay.
It turned its face from the fire with a scowl you'd have to see.
What? Wait, why did I stop it? Mother! Holy God! Oh my gosh. Oh God. Open it. Oh, interesting. Oh, dang. My mom just got demolished. Honestly,
Little boy, he found.
I have my eyes closed right now. Is there anything? Okay, there's nothing. Oh my God. Okay, bye-bye. 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 Bye. Are you serious? What? What is that? He ugly. Bro, you ugly. Get some dentures. Oh. Okay. Now your dinner? Unfortunately, you have become a victim of Krampus, who has kidnapped you and turned you into a treat of his festive Christmas table. Wow. That, was interesting. Interesting? Interesting.